good morning. Today is 20th February, and that means day 51. Yesterday I went to Tema on a motorbike, and there are lots of air that went through me. It wasn't easy. So today I just woke up right now. It's around 10 something. If I'm not, almost 11, getting to 11, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 10:40. So right now, I want to change my sofa. Yeah, my couch, whatever it is, sofa, couch. I want to change it. This one's kind of, the material is kind of dirty and all those things. So I'm going to see a carpenter who wants to do a different design for me. It's a little bit costly, but I want to plead with him to see if he can do something about the price for me. And yes, I'm going there in person right now to have a discussion with him. That's my first morning routine. This is wahala. I don't want to do deposit. You business say how much? I mention the amount. If no one do give me, I thought me say no one do give me. Which one be say like, do I have 10 cedi to 20 cedi in my money? Okay, I wanted to do deposit 2,000. And I was like, how much do I have? Or like the denomination of currency do I have? I said 100 cedis throughout. And he said he can't do it for me. Had it been that I have like 10 cedi, 20 cedi, 50 cedis, he'll be okay with it. Like how? I never heard this one before. So the money, the 100 cedis, still can't do the deposit for me or something. So yeah, they go and that's all. Padi ene nya yi ko la. Padi ene yi time ya je wa fi opi wa fi ko record. Padi ya. Time ya je wa. Waka. E nya bia se wa ka ngo. Ta wa ta ya fe nya mo ga na wa. Nka we la. TV stand wo. TV stand wo. Ka ke ya fe. TV stand wo machines ah. Ka ke ya fe ni ni e wo ni. Amega. Me go to go. Bo me ba. Akeju ya. E be sure aga me bia we na we. Patapi. Ago ka be jere ju. Ba ti ga ru. Ai ga ro ko ro ko ba ga. Ya du ala.
Oh, Aban 3 million don't touch it and touch him.
Na ko nga.
Boy, you movement there, pal.
Nka movement that better go. I do like that. Now, I don't know if it's raining or it's drizzling. I can't tell. If it's raining or it's even drizzling, I can't tell the difference. But this is the second rain in my area in this year. So, yeah, it's actually the second year. The second rain in the year. What? The heat is too much now, so let's see what happens. At least it's a good thing it's drizzling, and they haven't taken our light. Slow. Day 51. Slow.